Good evening, everyone. My name is Anthony D'Souza. I am the Aam Aadmi Party coordinator for Kalangut constituency. On my right hand side is Mr. Walter Lobo from Kalangut, the world famous, and on his right hand side is Mr. Augustine De Costa from Gauravada, Kalangut. Now we are making this small video to clarify certain facts and issues of his arrest. Now, Walter Lobo has been arrested yesterday, that was the 13th of May 2020, on a complaint filed by one Villanova from Kalangut. I've gone through the complaint also. Police took the complaint and immediately registered an FIR under section 188 and 269 on Walter Lobo, and subsequently he has been arrested. Section 188 reads that disobedience to order duly promulgated by public servant. And the section 269 reads negligent act likely to spread infection of disease dangerous to life. Now the question over here is, which doctor had certified Mr. Walter Lobo that he is a COVID-19 case and then he is likely to cause infection to the people in the surrounding area? This is not the thing. Mr. Walter Lobo, for the past few days, had been taking up some very vital issues which are important to the Kalangut constituency. One is that the hill cutting at Sinkarim, near the Fort Aguada, which is the World Heritage Site. Secondly, he has been called by some people who got panicked and exposed about the quarantine facility which was going on in a negligent manner in a resort in Kalangut. He will tell you a little bit further on it. We, AAP Kalangut, also question the government's motive in a similar move where one Mr. Malcolm Pereira from Chinchini Sulsate has been arrested for no reason. So I say, why is the government functioning in a panic mode? Or is it that the police officers are acting on the dictation of some local politicians? Or it may be that some police officers are trying to accumulate some commendation certificates while least bothered on important complaints where people have filed about this Sinkarim hill cutting and no police has acted on that. No arrests have been made. A blatant violation of CRZ and the NDZ norms have been done. So it is a very corrupt act by some politicians. It's a very serious offense that the police should look into that, rather than unnecessarily going after some activists or people who are trying to highlight where the faults are going on. We, the AAP Kalangut unit, stand in solidarity with Mr. Walter Lobo for exposing the issues in public interest and the dirty tricks employed by some dirty-minded goons is likely to cause further danger to public life by their silence in exchange of greed for power and money. I'd like to ask Mr. Walter Lobo to clarify certain few issues regarding his arrest. And the question one is, Mr. Walter Lobo, is it mentioned anywhere on the hotel that hotel is a designated quarantine facility?
Nothing of that sort was done. There was no notice on the hotel. There were no police seated outside there. The boys were roaming up and down since quite some time until people panicked. And You can see in my video that one fellow came with a pump and a big pipe. तो हुंच्या MLA or पंच मेंबराक आजूत घालूंक गेलोलो ती आमकां कांय खबर ना.
My second question to you, Walter Lugo. Were there any police station near the hotel?
Absolutely no police. That's why the locals panicked and came. Pisor to notice मारली, this is COVID hotel आणि एक पुलिसीक बसयलोलो, त्याला सगळ्या लोकांक कळला आणि लोक आंकांतान भायर सरचो नासलो आणि म्हाका आपोवचो नासलो व्हिडिओ घालपाक.
And my third and last question to you, Mr. Walter Lugo, is that did you instigate the people to gather near the hotel?
I did not instigate the people sent for me. आता हे कंप्लेन पळय घातला मिस्टर विलान ऑफ लोबोन, तेजे बायलेन शेरल लोबोन आधी माझेर एक मोलेस्टेशन कंप्लेन घालना अहोत व्हिडिओचे कितें काडून तेजे नाव उलय नासतना. Now it is his turn. This husband and wife team of Punch members have both filed cases on me. Now they have 3 small children. So I guess Mr. Michael Lobo will help them to file a case of pedophilia against me with regard to their 3 small children because I have exposed the hill cutting in Aguada and many other things which I will expose.
Thank you, Mr. Walter Lugo. Augustine, you may please wind up.
Thanks for watching our video and please do share to everyone. Thank you.
Good night.